Fujian Aokelan Electric Company Limited, founded in 2015. It is a new material enterprise specializing in the production of oriented silicon steel, transformer, iron core, electric control cabinet, photovoltaic, and other technological products. The production base is located in Zhangzhou, Fujian, China. It covers a total area of 330,000 square meters. Aokelan Group plans to invest 1.2 billion RMB in 3 phases project, which will eventually build an integrated industrial chain from oriented silicon steel to transformers to box-type substations and complete sets of electrical equipment. Employees reach 600. It is expected that by 2025, the annual output of oriented silicon steel will reach 250,000 tons, and the annual output value will exceed 4 billion RMB. Oriented silicon steel range grade 85 to 120 with 620 to 120 millimeters. With superior product performance, can greatly meet the different needs of global customers. Aokelan continues to strengthen our capacity for scientific and technological innovation, fully use our professional advantages. In-depth research and development of energy saving and environmental protection of new materials. Quality wins the market. Integrity casts the brand is the company's core concept. Aokelan wins the recognition of customers with our excellent quality and sincere service. Aokelan products are popular in many countries and regions around the world. Until now and in the future, we always adhere to the business philosophy of quality for survival, technology for development, and innovation to win the market. Adhere to scientific and technological research and development, talent competition, brand development, international management to realize enterprise innovation and green development. We strive to make the company into electrical steel materials and intelligent electrical equipment research and development, production, sales of enterprises. Aokelan has passed ISO 9001-2015 International Quality Management System certification and has been rated as Science and Technology Enterprise, Science and Technology Little Giant Enterprise, and Innovative Enterprise, etc. We hope to work with partners from all over the world to create greater brilliance. Strive to become China's power equipment, energy-saving new material field leader.
福建省奥克兰光电科技有限公司项目计划总投资12亿元，共规划3期，总占地面积33万平方米。欢迎全球合作伙伴莅临参观指导。